At Henghong Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, we don't just build products. We shape the future. Henghong Intelligent is an industrial and AMP trading group that designs, manufactures, and globally exports automatic leveling devices, electric jacks, slide-out system, RV parts. Since 2004, we have served leading motorhome builders from our 39,000 square meters campus in Hangzhou City, China. We have one provincial-level high-tech R&D center currently employs 139 people, among which 17 hold intermediate or senior titles and 21 are professionally engaged in product R&D. Manufacturing, OEM, ODM production of RV products in our 39,000 square meters ISO certified facility with 7 production lines. R&D, 21 engineers providing customized solutions with many patents. Vertical integration, direct factory pricing with trading flexibility. Quality assurance, certifications, ISO 9001 CE with 99% on-time delivery rate. One-stop service, from design to logistics, terms, FOB, CIFDDP. Over 2 decades, we have shipped Jack's leveling system to over 20 countries. Trusted in OEM assembly lines. From RV products to leveling system, every product we create is powered by innovation, precision, and a relentless commitment to our customers. Guided by integrity, driven by curiosity, and united by purpose, we turn challenges into opportunities and ideas into impact. We are Henghong, empowering RV, automobile industry, today, tomorrow, and beyond. We invite you to reach out. Our teams are ready to turn your next idea into a market-ready solution.